Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you ZipRecruiter how to update resume. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to update your resume on ZipRecruiter, what you need to do is first simply head over and open up your ZipRecruiter app and be sure to be logged in with your credentials as well. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do in order to update your resume is tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then once you're inside here, all you gotta do is scroll down until you find the option that says resume right here. Then if you have already uploaded your resume, all you gotta do now is just simply tap on the resume option from the drop down menu, and here you can edit your resume details as well, or simply upload a new resume file by choosing upload from device or phone or email. And then once you do that, simply click on your resume and choose your updated resume from your device or email, and then simply tap on save changes. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.